This is an announcement. Due to budget cuts, this episode is using their drawings at the beginning instead of the animated one. Hey, Sprint! My battery is right, but Sprint!
Your circuits must be malfunctioning.
The blue screen of death is a blue screen displayed by Windows when the operating system encounters a critical error and cannot recover from. This error causes the computer to shut down or restart to prevent further damage. Blue screens can be triggered by various issues, including hardware failures, driver incompatibility, software conflicts, malware, or even overheating. The blue screen acts as a safety measure, preventing potential data loss or further damage to the system by shutting it down. The blue screen of death is also referred to as a stop error, guard check, or kernel error. We have the cute low battery German. Got stuck on German? Oh, battery! Battery!
What? Low battery again? Was that strawberry getting scared of low battery and got video every time with the battery is getting
Oh,